Hey guys, welcome back. Michael here checking in. So today we're going to be going over how to use Facebook. So this is going to be a complete tutorial for beginners. So it's going to be people that may not even know how to utilize Facebook, maybe don't even know what Facebook is. I'm going to go ahead and simplify everything down from the complete beginning for everybody. Now if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Michael Coleman. I'm the CEO of Hydrospire Digital Marketing, and I sought after to help out people, everyday people just like you, be successful with Facebook, and basically I want to share my knowledge with what I have. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So how to use Facebook, complete tutorial for beginners. What are we going to be getting into? Let's go ahead and get to it. So the first things first is what's on the agenda. So first we're going to be talking about what is Facebook. We're going to talk about how we can grow your business with Facebook. Then we're going to talk about setting up your Facebook advertising, Facebook for advertising. We're also going to go with choosing which ads to run. It's very important, is knowing which ads to run. And then also we're going to be going over to setting up your first campaigns, and I'll be going over the Hydrospire method of testing. So today you should get your full complete guide of everything you need to know regarding Facebook, what it is, and how to start using it to advertise. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first of all, we all need to know what Facebook is. So Facebook is one of the top social media platforms in the world. They have over 3 billion monthly active users, with over 64 million people consuming in their shop every single year, or expected in this next 2024 fiscal year period. 62% of the US shoppers have engaged with Facebook ads and online shopping. So over 60% of everyone shopping has engaged with a Facebook ad. So that tells you the ability that Facebook has to get you in front of the right people. And this is one of my favorite statistics. So roughly $94 million in social e-commerce revenue is estimated to be generated from Facebook and Instagram in 2024. So there's a lot of money on the table to be grabbed, and that's exactly what I help with multiple brands get. There's so much money there on the table that so many people can be successful if you know what to do, if you know what you're doing. So let's go ahead and continue. So how can we use Facebook to grow? So there's a number of different ways that we can use Facebook to grow. One is it helps you find the right audience. Of people. There's thousands of millions of people over there. So it can help you find the people that are interested in whatever it is you're selling, whatever your service is. You can do this by two main ways. One is going to be organic posting. So you can organically post content. Also, you can go ahead and run paid ads. So this is for people that don't want to constantly make content. They can go ahead and post only like a couple handfuls of content, and they can run paid ads behind it and allow it to continuously be pumped to new people over and over and over again. I'm going to get right to it. So one of the main things you want to be able to use Facebook for is to run Facebook advertising. So why is this so important? Let me go ahead and make myself a little bigger to emphasize this. So why is this so important? So this is very important because it puts you in front of people that are likely to buy your product or services. So I'm actually going to go ahead and go through how to go ahead and set this up. I'm going to get a brief overview for you guys. Number one, you want to go to Facebook. Number two, you'll find Facebook on the left panel, Facebook Ads Manager, and then you want to create your business manager. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this in just one moment, but we'll go through how to create that business manager. You're going to go to your Facebook, go to the Facebook Ads Manager on the left side, and you're going to create your business ads manager. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually go over that. So, set up your Facebook for advertising. So as you see, first thing we want to do is go to your Facebook. I have my Facebook pulled up right here. We then want to find our Facebook Ads Manager. So I'm going to go ahead and locate that now. As you see on this left side, you'll see Facebook Ads Manager. From there, you'll click on Facebook Ads Manager. And you'll be able to go to the three dots right here. and then you'll want to go to business settings, and what this will do is it will take you to where you can then select your multiple business managers. If you don't have a business manager, it will then prompt you to set one up. So I already have a business manager made, so I won't be able to show you that, but I will show you the next steps after you create your business manager. Perfect. So after you set up your business manager, you can then go to the business settings. So you'll be able to click on this like hamburger type emoji, and you'll be able to go to business settings and then click on that business manager. It will take you to the business settings of that business manager. From there, there's a checklist of things that you want to go ahead and accomplish. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this. So number one, you want to go to people on this left hand side, and it's very important that you have at least 2 users here. I know I only have one. This is an account that's not yet set up yet, so that's why it's set up like this. However, you want to go ahead and have 2 people here. So you have the first person, you then want to press invite, and you want to add a second user. The reason why is because if you ever get disabled, your personal account gets disabled, you will lose all access to this. So it's important you have other people that can have, access to it as well. Continuing on, you want to go over here to pages. Now, if you don't have a page yet created, you want to go right here to add and create a new page. And you'll type in a page, related to your brand. Now, if you already have a page made and it's not connected here, you're going to go right here, add a page. So it's a page you already own. You'll then copy and paste that page there. Continuing on, you want to then go over here to add accounts, and you want to go ahead and create a new ad account. So you want to go right here, you want to press add, and you want to create a new. The reason why it won't let me right now is because I already have one here and my creation limit is 1. But if you don't have anything here, you'll see a button right here in the middle. It'll say create new. Go ahead and just name it your business. Go ahead and just name it your business. From there, you want to go ahead and go over here to Instagram account. And you want to add and connect your Instagram account. So you'll add and then you'll connect your Instagram account right here. Continuing on, you want to go ahead and go to data sources, and you'll hear people reference Pixel a lot. Pixels are now data sets, so you'll want to make a data set, which is going to be like a pixel. So you'll press add, and you'll name that data set. And so people ask all the time, what is a pixel or what is a data set? So a pixel / data set is your categorized information. So it's like a brain. Every time someone goes to your website and it gets the IP address, it gets everything they interact with, it gets their name, it gets how much they spend, it gets smarter over time. So it does a compounded interest. The more money you spend, the more data it collects, the smarter it gets. You want to get this pixel started as soon as possible and connected to your store, whether that be Shopify, WordPress, whatever store it is. You want to make sure this is connected. Stan, you want to make sure this pixel is connected to continuously learn and collect data. So when you do run ads, 1, you'll already have those audiences for retargeting, and 2, it already has a leg up above your competitors because it knows the type of people that are going to engage with you. Alright, continuing on. You also want to go here to brand safety and domains. Now, this can be a little confusing, and let me know down below if you want me to make another video about this specifically. I do have a little bit of experience connecting this, so if you guys need help, let me know. But what you want to do is you want to add your domain. So you press add, and you'll actually, even if you have a domain somewhere else, you'll hit create new. Do www.yourdomain.com. Don't do the HTTP, just www. And then it'll add it in here. You'll then want to assign assets. You'll select your assets, you'll select your page or pages, and you'll add it to that specific domain. Now there will be some other steps. You'll get a code, most likely a TXT code right here, and you'll need to copy and paste that to your domain. That's a subject for a different day. If you need help with that, comment down below or DM me on IG, MC_A16_, and I can get you handled over or taken care of on how to set that up. Continuing on, you want to go to billing and payments. I'm not going to go there on my page. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you want to go to payments, billing and payments, and you want to set up your billing and payments. Business info, I'm not going to go here as well because it has my personal business information, but you want to go here to business info. At the top, you want to go ahead and put in your business information. Scrolling down, you want to make sure you have an email verified. So you want to have an email verified under business info. Perfect. So that's going to conclude a checklist for the business settings, everything you need for that. So hope that was very beneficial. Let's go back to the presentation. Okay, now the next step is we got your business manager, your ad account set up. Now we need to choose which ad we're going to be running. So for that, I actually use, I do a couple of different things for market research. But basically what you're going to want to use is the Facebook ads library. That's free, so it's a great way to start. Just go to Google and type in Facebook ads library. It'll be one of the first links that pulls up. Okay, so what is a Facebook ads library? This allows you to search anything that your competitors are running and see what the active ads are based on keywords. So I usually go by US and then all ads, and then say we want to do like a neck balm, or say we want to do like a necklace, so we'll say necklace. So I'm able to search here keywords, and I don't know why it said that. I'm able to search here keywords, and I'm able to see, what is people are running in terms of necklaces. So what I do here is I scroll down, I find pictures I like, things that resemble my product. If I'm selling necklaces, seeing what angles and orientations they're running. I'm seeing who's running it, how many ads of that they're running. It will tell you that sometimes. And as you see, it says save to foreplay. So you guys might be seeing that. Like, what is that? So if we go back, that's actually the third tab I have is foreplay product research tools. Now, I usually just use ads library. It is free, but I have been liking foreplay a lot. Foreplay.co. Now, I do have a link to this. Now I do have a link to this that I will provide down in the description down below, and it will give you a discount off that first month. It is about $30 a month, but I believe it does have a free trial, so if you want access to that or looking for it, go ahead and click that link down below. But this is a great tool. As you see on the left side, you can actually make different boards, and you can put boards together of different ads that are working in the market. So this is like a skincare routine ad, educational. I got real estate in here, and you can actually come up here to discover, and you can search keywords as well. So I can do necklace, and I can come up here and press necklace, and it'll kind of come here and search, and I can see all these different examples of necklaces. Like, this is a great example, and if I like it, I can hit this drop down and I can save it. So jewelry, save ad. So these are actually really good examples. So this one way that I look for effective ads to run. Perfect. But I'm actually not going to go ahead and go over to set up the ads, set up your first campaigns today. That's going to be a little bit. That's going to be a little bit for a different day. It's going to be. I am going to do that very soon. If that's something you guys are wanting, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll show you guys my strategy. Also, let me know which niche you're in, and I can set up the campaigns directly in that niche. But I'm not going to go ahead and set this one up today. Go ahead and like this video if you do want me to go ahead and keep posting videos like this, and I will be putting out that very, very soon. But yeah, I had to save some on the cliffhanger for later. But yeah, so if you guys want my campaign strategy, let me know down below what niche you want me to make it in, and I'll go ahead and help you guys out with that. But with no further ado, follow me on my IG or DM me YouTube, so I know you came from my YouTube. I'm looking to go to the top and looking to bring multiple brands with me. So if you found this video beneficial, go ahead and give me a follow on my IG. Go ahead and hit me up, send me a text or send me a DM stating that you came from my YouTube, and I'm gonna go ahead and hook you guys up with something. But I really appreciate you guys being here, and with no further ado, I'll talk to you guys very soon.